Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a delicious Crockpot Indian Spiced Lentil recipe. It's so delicious, perfectly spiced, comforting. I think you'll love it. Super easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are water, dried lentils, canned diced tomatoes, diced onion, minced garlic, curry powder, ground cumin, turmeric, cayenne pepper, kosher salt, ground black pepper, and garam masala. So we're just going to add all the ingredients into a crock pot or slow cooker, except the garam masala, we'll add that at the end. So 4 cups of water first. 2 cups dried lentils, a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You could use the regular, or I happen to have petite diced tomatoes. Either will be fine. 3 cups of diced onion, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, or to your taste. I love garlic, so I'm happy we're putting 2 tablespoons in. 2 teaspoons curry powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, or to your taste. It's a little hot, but I think it's just right. 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, or you could use a salt of your choice. I'm going to use 3/2 to make 1.5. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm going to stir the ingredients together. You want to mix it well. We're going to cook this 2 to 2.5 hours on high until the lentils are tender, how you like them. So high. Now I'm going to set it to 2 and then check it. I'll add a little more time if it's not cooked all the way. So we'll see you in 2 to 2.5 hours. Okay, I checked the Crockpot Indian Spiced Lentils at 2 hours, and the lentils were still a bit hard, so I put it 30 more minutes, and I'm going to check. I'm just going to try the lentils before I stir it all up. They are nice and tender. Now I'm going to add the garam masala, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to stir it in. I could have added the garam masala at the 2-hour mark, and then it would have a bit of time to cook. It smells so delicious. I'm just going to let it cook for just a few more minutes while the flavors meld. Okay, it's been a few minutes. I'm going to turn it off, and I have some rice. Could also, like I said, serve this with naan bread. Probably be good on couscous too. Let me go ahead and have some. I'm going to give it a minute to cool. Okay, my Indian spiced lentils have cooled a bit. I'm going to try it with the rice. This is a warm, spiced, and savory dish. I think you're going to love it. You could add more seasonings, salt, pepper if you like. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.